How to fix Sims 4 black screen on startup problem. To do this, open File Explorer. After opening File Explorer, click Documents from the left side. Among these folders, find Electronic Arts and double-click it. Then double-click the Sims folder. The next thing we need to do is scroll down and right-click Options. After right-clicking, select Notepad from the Open With section. Here, what we need to do is find the windowed full screen option and change its value to 1. Click on File and then Save. After doing this, you can check whether the Sims 4 black screen on startup problem is solved or not. If this doesn't solve the problem, open the EA app and click Manage. Then click View Properties and type a hyphen symbol followed by W in Advanced Launch Options and click Save. With these two methods, you can solve the Sims 4 black screen on startup problem.